A problem that I didn't see coming was the fact that when a couple of years ago Europe forced iPhone to start putting USB-C chargers on their phone, then also all the smartphone gadgets started using USB-C. So these days when I want to buy a microphone for my phone, they don't really sell those with Thunderbolt anymore. It's all USB-C. There are cases where they come with both a USB-C and a Thunderbolt connection, but in that case the thing costs more, so it might be more beneficial to just buy an adapter for that. But then when you start buying an adapter, you get to the question of what is the best bang for the buck, and also not all adapters transfer data. Some of them are just for charging and picture sound doesn't go through. They cooked hard with the Big Mouth White. Holy guys, childhood memories coming back. Maybe not quite, but almost. It has this weird homemade garlicky taste or something, or maybe it's some kind of a cheap sausage garlicky taste, which sounds bad, but actually in the burger it's really good. It's maybe a bit hard to imagine, but no, it's just absolutely a unit. This is some hard stuff. For Burger King, I'd say this is one of the best burgers I've tried.